This is the Epoch Times.
Welcome to Epoch Audio, showcasing the best journalism covering news, culture, and society, addressing issues overlooked or avoided by other media. For the text version of this and more articles providing truth, tradition, and hope, please go to theepochtimes.com.
4 common fruits could improve memory and cognitive issues from a global study. Written by Mercura Wong. Boosting your memory could be as simple as picking up some everyday fruits at the grocery store. New research reveals that fruits we regularly encounter have extraordinary potential to enhance cognitive function and reverse memory decline by targeting inflammation. Why look into inflammation? Inflammation plays a significant role in causing memory and cognitive problems in conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia, Parkinson's disease, brain injuries, stroke, and cerebral malaria. A global study published in Brain Disorders examined how medicinal plants can help to reduce this inflammation and improve memory. The research identified 251 plants with memory-boosting capacities. Surprisingly, some of the top memory medicines weren't obscure forest specimens but household fruits available worldwide. The researchers then analyzed 90 surveys across 47 countries and found anti-inflammatory effects in 227 of the plants. Additionally, 123 of these plant species displayed the capacity to combat neuroinflammation, underscoring their potential to improve cognitive health and reverse memory decline and cognitive impairments. The study spotlights the coconut, grape, mango, and walnut as 4 potential brain foods with therapeutic properties. Coconut oil shows promise for improving Alzheimer's symptoms. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of progressive dementia, disproportionately affecting older women. In a Spanish pilot study, Alzheimer's patients who consumed a Mediterranean diet enriched with coconut oil for 3 weeks showed improved cognitive function, including temporal orientation and semantic memory. Improvements were most notable in women with mild to moderate Alzheimer's, but positive changes were also observed in men and those with severe conditions. Aluminum from sources such as deodorants, cookware, and food additives may increase the risk of Alzheimer's, according to some research. An Egyptian study found that coconut oil greatly improved brain chemical signaling, memory, and immunity in rats, while protecting against aluminum-induced cognitive deficits. In other words, coconut oil exhibited potential as a cognitive strengthener. Neuroinflammation is linked to neuronal disease and long-term neurodegeneration. A Malaysian study showed that coconut oil has anti-neuroinflammatory and memory-enhancing effects in rats. The conclusion was that virgin coconut oil may protect the brain by reducing inflammation and improving brain pathways, including those related to memory. Grapes show promise in improving memory and cognition. Grapes are rich in quercetin, a natural flavonoid known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The flavonoids in grapes can benefit cognitive and mental health, according to research published in Nutrition Reviews in 2022. Quercetin, found in grapes and other foods, may be helpful for Parkinson's disease by counteracting the effects of alpha-synuclein, a protein associated with the condition. This potential neuroprotective effect could help to alleviate symptoms and slow disease progression. Neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's disease are associated with chronic inflammation. Quercetin may help to reduce the inflammation in the brain, potentially slowing the progression of the disease. Grapes may have a positive impact on Alzheimer's disease. Research has indicated a connection between the presence of the herpes virus and the development of Alzheimer's disease. Grapes demonstrated anti-herpes properties in the Brain Disorders study, which could potentially be beneficial in addressing this aspect of Alzheimer's disease. Currently, approved treatments for Alzheimer's have a limited impact on patients. Grape-based compounds show promise in targeting Alzheimer's factors such as amyloid plaques, oxidative stress, inflammation, and synaptic dysfunction by promoting brain resilience. Grape supplements can also improve working memory. A study in Iran examined the effects of grape supplements on working memory by observing 53 university students who were randomly assigned to 2 groups. The first group consumed a traditional medicine made from dried grapes daily for 4 weeks. The second group didn't receive any intervention. After 4 weeks, the grape group showed significantly improved working memory, increased accuracy, and faster reaction times on cognitive tasks as compared with the control group. Mango has the potential to enhance memory. Neurogenesis, or the creation of new neurons, occurs throughout life in brain regions such as the hippocampus, which is crucial for memory formation and retrieval. Mitochondria, also called the powerhouses of the cell, provide energy for neuron growth but can be disrupted in neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, which also impair neurogenesis because of neuroinflammation. Mangoes are rich in anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective polyphenols that may reduce mitochondrial dysfunction and neuroinflammation, potentially preventing memory impairment and enhancing cognitive function. Memory impairment is commonly used to identify conditions such as dementia. No current treatments fully alleviate impairment, but mangoes may offer possibilities. The mango polyphenol mangiferin has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and other positive health effects. Mangiferin improved memory and cognition in animal models, suggesting its potential for treating impairment. Recent research trends find support for using mangiferin to target memory deficits symptomatically. Walnut reduces risk of brain disorders. Research suggests that walnuts may reduce the risk or progression of mild cognitive impairment in brain disorders such as Parkinson's. Oxidative stress and neuroinflammation contribute to cognitive decline in these conditions. The walnut's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may positively impact memory and learning. Human trials link walnut consumption with improved cognition and memory in adults. The walnut flavonoid myricetin has antioxidant, antimicrobial, and neuroprotective effects and shows promise for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Walnuts are a valuable plant-based source of polyunsaturated omega-3 fatty acids, making them promising for cognitive health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for cognition because they provide anti-inflammatory effects in the brain, enhance neuronal membrane fluidity, promote neuroplasticity and neurogenesis, and increase cerebral blood flow, all of which support optimal brain function. In a 2011 crossover study, the consumption of 60 grams of walnuts daily for 8 weeks was linked with significantly improved logical thinking skills among college students. In a double-blind crossover study, young adults who ate 50 grams of walnuts with breakfast had quicker reaction times on cognitive tests than those who didn't. A single walnut-rich meal can benefit youth cognitive function, according to the authors. Improved cognition with no side effects. These 4 foods are all toxicologically safe. As promising alternatives to conventional drugs, they're being explored for new drug leads and development. However, further research into potential toxicities at therapeutic doses may be needed. Thanks again for listening to Epoch Audio.
For more Epoch Times articles in text, please visit theepochtimes.com.
This is the Epoch Times.